sometimes students aren't stuck on the reading, they're stuck on the meaning. With Kami Companion's Understand tools, students can have an explanation, a summarization, as well as adjusting the reading level. Let's take a look at how these work. Some students can decode text just fine, but still struggle to make sense of what it means. The Understand tools in Kami Companion give students a way to work through that on their own. There are 3 tools here: explain, summarize, and adjust. I've selected a paragraph of text here that I don't quite understand. I'm going to turn on the Explain tool to have an explanation generated for me. I can have that explanation read aloud, I can change the speed of the read aloud, and I can also copy this text and put it in a document where I might use it later. The Summarize tool creates a short explanation of the paragraph, where the Adjust tool creates a reading level that is different. In this case, it can be easier, but I can also make the reading level more difficult if I need a challenge. Just like the Summarize and Explain tool, they can be read aloud, and the speed can be adjusted, and I can copy this text to use somewhere else. The Understand tool doesn't stop at text. It can also be used for images. Here is an image of the photosynthetic cycle. I can highlight using the Area Select tool this image. Then I can use the Explain tool to have an explanation generated for me of the steps of the photosynthetic cycle. Those steps can be read aloud to me at various speeds, and I can copy the explanation to use elsewhere. The image can also be summarized for me, and I can also adjust the text on the image to a reading level that suits my needs. All 3 tools work together to give students more ways to access the same content without needing to leave the page or to ask for help.